about to leave. Already packing, come with me.
Hi guys, it's Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Los Angeles. We made it here. I'm so excited. The weather's better than we thought. It's gonna be like 70 degrees and sunny today. So I put together an outfit that should be appropriate for that weather. We're also going to have like kind of like a business lunch with somebody that Ryan is out here doing work with, and then I have some exploring to do in LA, kind of like fashion research stuff for an upcoming project. So Ryan's on his way back now from his first meeting of the day. We're gonna hit the road. He got the rental car. At some point we're gonna land somewhere today that I can show you my like head to toe outfit. So you can see, oh, I think that's right, hold on. Okay, here is a little sneak peek because I just wanted to point out that this top you're about to see is actually a dress that I tucked in to get more use out of it while traveling. And I think you'll see this later this week as a real dress, maybe at night for dinner. So let's hit the road and then you'll see the rest of the outfit soon. Hi guys, I'm in the car. So I was trying to think through how am I actually gonna tell you about the outfit when I'm like out and about and you'll hear me? And I don't know how that's gonna work, so I figured I'm gonna give you the details now because I don't like to just show you the clothes. I don't think that's very helpful at all. So I'm gonna do my little info about the clothes now. And then you can see me head to toe wandering around somewhere. I think we might be going to the Grove. Okay, so for starters, I have on an oversized tunic. It comes down to about here, like if it were untucked. It is faux silk. I think it's probably a polyester woven. Really cute print. This I thrifted. I think it was originally from H&M and I found this at a thrift store for probably about 10 bucks. I tucked it into olive green lightweight jogger pant with cute little pockets on the side, tucked in the dress in the front of me that helps to elongate my leg. For my shoes, I'm wearing these little rag and bone guys that you saw in my like transition to spring video. Wooden heel, so cute, little booty, perforated leather, back zip, love it. Then I have my crossbody vintage Fendi bag that Ryan got me for my birthday this year. Last year, I guess, technically. So cute. I think it's like a perfect crossbody to have with me in LA. Love the color. And then these are my Cole Haan sunglasses that I found at Nordstrom Rack when I was shopping with Mom in upstate New York where she lives, and they were about $30, which I think is such a good price. I had such a hard time finding a simple silver framed aviator. I don't have a large face and a lot of times sunglasses overtake me, and Cole Haan generally runs on kind of the smaller side. So if you have the same problem as I do, you might want to check them out. Okay, then I have this long woven scarf that I bought on vacation a few years ago for like 10 bucks that I'm kind of just draping over me. It's a little bit chilly. Also, I just thought it added another style detail. Okay, off to lunch. Also, I wanted to say that on my Instagram, I posted still pictures in my feed of these outfits on the trip, and then also in the Insta stories I'm posting things, which I feel like, how are you gonna see that? Maybe I'll make a highlight in the Insta story that says LA if you wanna see stuff from the trip. Okay, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, day 2 in LA. So I've got my second outfit on. I'm gonna show you right now in the large mirror, tiny little details, and then later today we're gonna head to the beach and I think like the Santa Monica area, and we'll film outside again so you can kind of see better head to toe look, me walking around in it, etc. Okay, so here's the details. Okay, you guys, so here is my thrifted blouse that you saw couple weeks ago in another video. I tucked it in this time, which I think works with the way that this pleating falls. I think it's kind of cute because then the top of my skirt is also pleated and ruffled, and I think that's really sweet. I can't get these words out. The way that those are kind of marrying together. And then the skirt, I should say, is inside out. So this skirt, you might see later this week. It's actually all this. You see here? It's supposed to be all that print. But I just cut the tags off of it and then turned it inside out to give me a little more versatility, and so I didn't have to bring as many items on the trip. What else do we have going on here? My shoes. I flew with these on the airplane. Sorry about the lighting, you guys. These are a Vince shoe. I love them because they're so simple. This is kind of like my no shoe for spring. You guys know how I love a good no shoe where my leg and my leg is bare, but like my foot basically looks bare with it. You will be able to see that better outside. Okay, what else? Then, oh, you guys, this is my scarf from the gift ideas for Christmas. It's that Amazon guy. I will link him down below because it's $12 and it comes in a million colors, and I'm still wearing it. Now it's for spring. How cute. Kind of covers up my leg a little bit because I'm not sure about the shortness of this skirt, but I have little shorts under it, so that's good. Then I have the same crossbody that I had yesterday. This is the one purse that I brought, so I didn't have to pack too much. Crossbody, perfect. It's just like so easy, so functional to carry stuff around, walk around hands-free. It's absolutely adorable, and I love it. Okay, let's go. These are my Tory Burch prescription sunglasses. No contacts, no makeup today. Now we'll go.
About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go,
Hi guys, day 3. Today we actually went out once already. There's gonna be 2 outfits today. So the first one was for kind of shopping, I guess. Ryan had a meeting and I went with him because it was at a mall, and I tried to do a little bit of shopping. I'm trying to find a new pair of Ipanema flip-flops for our beach vacation, which is coming up. It's going to be next week's video of outfits, but they didn't. I went to a Bloomingdale's and they didn't have it. Anyway, I'm going to show you this outfit, and then later on tonight we're going out to dinner to a really cool restaurant, so I'm going to change and I'll show you outfit 2. Okay, so it's like 70 degrees now, but it was 50 this morning, so I had this sweater over my outfit, but you won't see it because we filmed my outfit on the Walk of Fame, like the Hollywood Walk of Fame, I think it's called, where the stars were, because we were driving by. We thought it'd be fun to stop there. This sweater I was just wearing over this earlier when it was cold. I am way too hot. I cannot put that on right now. Next, cotton long sleeve tee, light wash James jeans. I've got those cute little booties that I love so much. These are the Vince guys with the wooden heel, back zip, so cool. I think they're great for LA. My vintage Fendi crossbody that I've been wearing every day. My prescription Tory Burch sunglasses. That's it for my day look. I will see you later with my dinner outfits. Hi guys, it is nighttime and I am so sorry because I think the lighting is horrible in here. It's just weird lighting in this hotel room and I don't know where to go. We're gonna go over to our mirror in a minute. I hope you can hear me fine. I'm standing in the bathroom. I do not have contacts in. I have sunglasses on. I'm gonna wear makeup, but I have not put that on yet. I have another weird eye infection situation. My eye looks like a baseball. It's so swollen, so I am wearing these aviators to dinner. Thankfully we are eating on a rooftop, so I hope it's a little not weird. But yeah, that's what's gonna happen. But no contacts, so I have bad vision and I can't really see anything. So let's just go to that mirror and hope this works out. Okay, you guys, this outfit's actually so fun because you voted on it in my Insta story. I had two options. One was the dress I wore earlier in the week as a blouse. And then this was the second one, and this is the one that won. So here is my thrifted short sleeve blouse, Forever 21, but I got it at a thrift store for probably like $8. I wore this in my like white ankle jean video, tucking it into these cute little H&M shorts that I got last year, little pockets. They have this great like black and white print. I love the mix of these prints together. Love that the shorts have pockets. Doing my, well, would-be skin-colored heel if I've been in the sun as much as I'd like to, but right now, clearly much darker than my actual leg color, but wearing it anyway definitely still helps to elongate because it's still in like a tan-ish family. And tall heels, pointed toe. We know that totally elongates the leg. Then I've got my long black woven scarf that I was wearing earlier in the trip because it's probably gonna be kind of chilly. Yeah, when I actually put it on, it should look a lot better than what's happening right now, you guys. Hard to dress myself when one hand is on the camera, and I think I just gave myself rug burn. Don't wrap a scarf so tight that you give yourself rug burn, you guys. So here's like a little, I don't even know. Am I gonna wear it like that? It's totally not draping right. It looks so weird right now. Think about this, you guys. Well, you know, I'll probably put it over me to sit down because it'll like drape my legs and keep them a little bit warm. So there's that. But then I also have this Marc Jacobs sweater that I thrifted last year. It's like so pretty, light pink. I was wearing this in Santa Monica the other day, and I can like put that over when I'm cold because I think it's gonna be cold on the roof. Okay, you guys, so that is that. My fourth outfit of the week. We are going to be here another day. Oh, that's Ryan coughing. Are you okay, Ryan?
Yes, sir.
It's fine. We're gonna be here another day. Tomorrow it's gonna be like 78 in LA, which I'm so excited about. So I think we're gonna go swimming. The pool's heated and just kind of like lay out and relax. I don't know that there's going to be much of an outfit to show. I'll probably be in a robe until I'm in a swimsuit. So I think I'm probably gonna end this video here because the day after tomorrow we are going on an actual beach vacation where there'll be a lot of swimsuits, beachwear, etc. And that will be next week's video that you guys will see. So I'm gonna sign off now. I'm gonna look out the window. If there's a really cool shot of Hollywood, like with the lights, I will insert that now. Please like, subscribe if you want to see more how to style videos, outfits of the week videos, etc. Also tell me down below, like, I know this was such a less formal video than what I have been recently doing because I did it like vlog style. I really want to know, what are your thoughts on that? Like, do you like it being more informal or do you prefer the other style? I don't know. I don't know what I think. Please let me know what you think. I'm gonna go. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.
Not looking back, eyes on the